What's up, guys? So today I made Nasi Goreng, probably mispronounced that, with the Indonesian fried rice seasoning that was included with the universal yums. I'll try to show it to you. But yeah, I found several different recipes for this, and they're all pretty different. Basically, this recipe is like the food equivalent of like godless, nihilistic anarchy. So I put in beef, peppers, onions, carrots, celery, and rice, plus the seasoning packet. So let's see how it came out. It's pretty decent. Not really sweet or spicy, just kind of more hearty taste, but it's alright.